The narrative is how you think of things.
We realized it was not enough just to have rights to water, to land, but also to be the government of that land.
The movement forward has to come from that place of acknowledgement and recognition.
To govern together with respect the land, the water, the wildlife, and to include everybody in the plans that we make for our communities, our land, and our water.
We're not always going to agree, but someone made the decision on our behalf that they knew what was best for us. And having a conversation sort of eye to eye, we look at it on the basis of dealing with each other as human beings. We are talking about the same thing, but we're not listening to each other. It's taking the time to really listen to what it is that we're saying. We have to, one by one, do something different.